Hi, I'm Dave Locker with Stephenson Equipment, and today I'm going to show you the BOMAG BF200 path paver. We're going to do some startup and operation on the path paver. The first thing that you can see from the BOMAG path paver, it's pretty similar to the highway class pavers as far as the console is concerned. We have two individual joysticks for operation, forward and reverse. And most of the switches and gauges are pretty similar to the highway class models. Okay, we're going to go ahead and start the machine. Now you'll notice that the machine, when it turns on, it automatically starts in neutral, the neutral position. As you can see, there's three different designations for operation. There's the work mode, a low range, and a high range. In the work mode, you can run all your functions. You can run your conveyor, you can run your extensions, you can run your augers. In your low range, you can only run your hydraulics up and down with the screed, up and down with the augers. High range is the same thing. Your travel speed will increase in low range and high range, and it's a fixed travel speed in your work range. Over to the right of that, you'll see that there's the throttle. So you have minimum, eco, and max, and those will all be adjusted as soon as you put the machine in forward or reverse. As we go down through the console, you have your screed lift up and down. You have your extension left and right. Left extension, right extension, in and out. You have your toe points. You have your hopper in and out. You have your auger up and down. You have your auger power, your auger powers, and your chain power. And you have your reverse of your augers. Up above that, you'll see that you have your speed control for your augers and for your chain, your screed heat, your pump for your spray down, and your wand pump. This we don't currently have on this model. However, we do have our spray pump on here with a nozzle that comes off the side. All right, so to locate the spray down pump, it's on the left-hand side of the machine behind this door. In order to activate it, you would just open the door and pull the nozzle out. The hose is on a fully retractable system. So you would walk up, spray the hopper out, and then to return it back to where it needs to be, you simply just pull back and retract it back in. Nozzle would go back into the holder, and you could close the door and continue operation. Above that, we have our beacon light and our regular work lights. So basic operation of the machine, we'd want to switch to the work mode with the machine. And there's an indicator that you're in work mode. At this point, all functions are operational. And as you can see, we can activate all our hydraulic functions and our work functions. Our hoppers go down, the screed comes up, and the auger comes up. So now at this point, the machine is ready for operation. We can extend our extensions. We can adjust our toe points. We can activate our chain. We'll activate the augers, and there will be an audible warning for the auger, and a blue light will be on the indicator. Same with the chain in the front, the conveyor, and the right side. Both augers are independent of the chain, and they can all be operated singly. So to move the machine, you need to adjust your travel speed, which is this dial. On the indicator itself, it will show you between low speed and high speed. It'll also indicate on the console on the screen. So you can adjust your feet per minute based off of the dial. So once you activate how fast you want to have the machine travel, you need to activate the green button on top of the joystick and then push it forward. Now you do not have to hold the joystick forward or hold the button down to move the machine forward. Both operator consoles can be activated independently, of each other. So you do not have to use them at the same time, and you can work off either side of the machine while you're traveling forward. To go to reverse, you would simply pull back on the joystick. That puts you in neutral. And at that point, you would hold down on the green button and pull back. You do have to keep the button held down in reverse, which is different than going forward. Until you get to your desired location, you let off, the machine will stop.